Okay, today we are discussing about another topic, that is polymerization. What is polymerization? Number of monomer molecules combined to form polymers, and this process is called polymerization. Before we are going to discussing about what is polymer. What is the definition of polymer? Number of small molecules are combined to form large molecule, and this large molecule is named as polymer. Here discussing about, we know small molecules are called as monomers and large molecule is called as polymers. So by using that polymer, number of monomer molecules combine to form polymers, and this process is called as polymerization. It is very important topic. Okay, types of polymerization. Three types of polymerization we are observed. One is addition polymerization, another one is condensation polymerization, and another one is copolymerization. So first of all, we are going to discussing about addition polymerization. So here number of examples we are observed. First example, ethylene is converted into polyethylene. Second example, Teflon is converted into polyteflon. Third example, styrene is converted into polystyrene. And fourth example, vinyl chloride is converted into polyvinyl chloride. So addition polymerization. By observing these examples, we are writing in the complete point of view. So here ethylene. Here N indicates number of. We know what is the change of reaction mechanism. Double bond is converted into single bond, and front part N is joined by the last part of reaction. So here it is, number of ethylene molecules are involved in addition polymerization process. Addition polymerization process to form polyethylene. So observe Nana, here N for example 100 ethylene molecules. 100 ethylene molecules are involved in addition polymerization to get polyethylene. Here N is equal to N. N is equal to 100. So by knowing of this information, so first of all, same type of monomers involved or different types of monomers involved. Here 100, we are taking as 100. 100 ethylene molecules are involved in addition polymerization to get polyethylene. So 100 all are ethylene molecules. So the definition, first definition is nothing but same type of monomer molecules are combined to form polymers, and this process is called addition polymerization. And this process is called addition polymerization. For example, ethylene, only ethylene molecules are taken. If for example Teflon, only Teflon molecules are taken. For example styrene, only styrene molecules are involved in this polymerization. For example vinyl chloride, only vinyl chloride molecules are involved in this polymerization. Because of that, so the definition of addition polymerization is nothing but same type of monomer molecules are combined to form polymers, and this process is called addition polymerization. Okay, second point, what we are observed second point in this reaction process. Here how much percentage of reactants you are added, everything is converted into product. Because of this, in this polymerization mechanism, reactants are completely converted into products. Reactants are completely converted into products. We know 100, for example the molecular weight of this reactant 1000, so automatically product molecular weight also 1000, because reactants are completely converted into product. So the third point is nothing but in the molecular weight of reactants is equal to molecular weight of products. Okay, fourth point, so no byproducts are formed. Here no additionally any additional product cannot formed. Because of that, no byproducts are formed. So it is also named as chain polymerization mechanism. It is also known as chain polymerization mechanism. So that is about addition polymerization mechanism. Once again we are briefly discussing Nana addition polymerization. Same type of monomer molecules are involved in addition polymerization process. Here reactants are completely converted into product. Reactants are completely converted into products. Third point, the molecular weight of reactant is equal to molecular weight of product. no byproducts are formed. Byproducts means additionally during the reaction process, additionally some of the compounds like formed like H2O, CO2, NH3. These are the products get eliminated in some reactions. Here these are the not possible to form. So no byproducts are formed. It is also called as chain polymerization mechanism. It is also called as chain polymerization mechanism. Okay, next another polymerization, that is nothing but condensation polymerization mechanism. Before going to discussing about this topic, what is meant by condensation? The general meaning of condensation is nothing but elimination of water molecule. So simply recognize in this reaction mechanism, water molecule get eliminated. In this reaction mechanism, water molecule get eliminated. The best example for condensation polymerization is nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6, one of the important named reaction. Okay, how it is formed? Hexamethylene diamine. Already discussing in previous video, CH2 is called as methylene. CH2 is called as methylene. How many methylene molecules are taken? 6. 6 indicates hexamethylene. NH2 is called as amine. 2 NH2 groups are present, so it is diamine. So total of this molecule is nothing but hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. What about another molecule? CH2. Already we know CH2 is called as methylene. How many methylene molecules are taken? 4. So CH2 is nothing but methylene. 4 indicates tetramethylene. COOH group is called as dicarboxylic group. Carboxylic group. 2 carboxylic groups are present, so it is named as a dicarboxylic acid. Tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. So the formation of nylon 6,6 is nothing but hexamethylene diamine reacted with tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid to form nylon 6,6. How it is formed? Already we know. Condensation polymerization means in this reaction mechanism, water molecule get eliminated. So this hydrogen and this OH, one water molecule, and this hydrogen and this OH, another water molecule. So totally 2 water molecules. Number of kabatti minus 2n H2O. So the remaining molecule get joined. Elimination of hydrogen. Hydrogen get eliminated. The remaining is bond NH. Bond NH. CH2 taken 6 times. CH2 taken 6 times. Bond NH. Bond NH. Hydrogen get eliminated. So there is no need to write. And OH also eliminated. So combining of these 2 molecules. So directly combined with C double bond O. CH2 taken 4 times and C double bond O taken n times. The name of this molecule is nylon 6,6. The name of this molecule is nylon 6,6. How it is? So in this reaction, we are observed same type of monomer molecules involved or different types of monomer molecules are involved. So first of all, it is nothing but one is hexamethylene diamine and another one is tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. Both are not similar molecules. So the first point in this polymerization mechanism is different types of monomer molecules. Exactly opposite ma దీన్నే జస్ట్ ఎలా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తా అంటే హియర్ సేమ్ టైప్ కదా ఇన్ కండెన్సేషన్ పాలిమరైజేషన్ different type of monomer molecules are combined to form polymer, and this process is called as condensation polymerization mechanism. And this process is called as condensation polymerization mechanism. So second point, ఏం observe చేస్తానా, these two are reactants to get product. Additionally here water molecule get eliminated. So reactants are not completely converted into products. Some amount of water molecule get eliminated. So the second point is nothing but in this polymerization reactants are not completely converted into products. So next third point, for example, this compound molecular weight is equal to 500. This compound molecular weight is equal to 500. The product molecular weight is equal to 950. So 500 plus 500 enta 1000, but we get the product only 950. So 50 molecular weight get eliminated. So the molecular weight of reactant is not equal to molecular weight of the product. So the molecular weight of reactant is not equal to molecular weight of products. So fourth point. What is fourth point? Byproducts are formed. Here water molecule additionally nylon 6,6 additionally we also get water molecule. So byproducts are formed. In this polymerization mechanism is also called as stepwise polymerization mechanism. How it is? Okay, so hexamethylene diamine, tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. First two molecules get joined, first step. Second step, water molecule get eliminated. And final step, both are combined. So it is మీరు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ లో కూడా ఇలా స్టెప్ వైజ్ రాయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, సెకండ్ స్టెప్ అండ్ దెన్ థర్డ్ స్టెప్. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నేమ్డ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ stepwise polymerization mechanism. Next, another one, the last one in this polymerization topic, that is copolymerization process. Co means combined polymerization process. In this polymerization mechanism exhibit both addition polymerization and as well as condensation polymerization characteristics. And it is not naturally occurred, that it is also called as synthetic polymerization mechanism. The best example for copolymerization is Bunay's and Bunayan. The best example for copolymerization process is Bunay's and Bunayan. So how it is? First of all, we are observed Bunay's. How it is formed? 1,3 butadiene. 1,3 butadiene reacted with styrene molecule. 1,3 butadiene reacted with styrene molecule to form Bunay's. How it is formed? The name of this molecule is 1,3 butadiene. Okay, ఒక కార్బన్ ఉంది అనుకోండి నాన్న, ఒక కార్బన్ మిత్, 2 కార్బన్స్ ఉంటే ఇత్ అంటాం, 3 కార్బన్స్ ఉంటే ప్రోప్ అంటాం, 4 కార్బన్స్ ఉంటే బ్యూట్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సింగిల్ బాండ్గా ఉంటే ఏనని, డబల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఈనని, ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఐన్ అని చెప్పి మెన్షన్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ టోటలీ హౌ మెనీ కార్బన్ ఆటమ్స్? 1 2 3 4 కార్బన్ ఆటమ్స్. సో బ్యూటా. సో డబల్ బాండ్స్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ 1 2. డబల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఏమంటాం? ఈన్ అంటాం. సో నెంబరింగ్ ఇచ్చుకున్నా అనుకున్నాను 1 2 3 4. ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ దగ్గర డబల్ బాండ్ ఉంది అండ్ అగైన్ థర్డ్ కార్బన్ దగ్గర డబల్ బాండ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1,3 బ్యూటా డైఈన్. డబల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఈన్, 2 డబల్ బాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి డైఈన్. ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఈస్ 1,3 బ్యూటాడైన్. 1,3 బ్యూటాడైన్ reacted with styrene molecule to form Bunay's. How it is formed? This bond is shifted to here. This bond make a new bond between these two different molecules. Remaining everything get be joined and this is shifted to reacted with another molecule. So the combining of this CH2 as usual CH2. ఇక్కడ ఒక బాండ్ ఇక్కడికి షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి there is only single bond present. Single bond CH. Additionally we get a one bond. So double bond CH, single bond CH2 directly joined to the styrene molecule and it is nothing but Bunay's. So Bunayan, how to write Bunayan? Simply Bunay's లో ఒక స్మాల్ చేంజ్ ఓవర్. Bunay's లో ఇప్పుడు CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH, సింగిల్ బాండ్ CH, డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2 ప్లస్ CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH contain cyanide group. It is nothing but 1,3 butadiene, and it is nothing but vinyl cyanide. Okay. Next, already in previous law, this bond is shifted to here. This bond make a new bond between these two different molecules, and this bond is reacted to another molecule. By combining of these two molecule, CH2 double bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CH, CH contain cyanide group, and it is nothing but Bunayan. The name of this molecule is Bunayan. Or simply you have to recognize, okay na, same Bunayas styrene. ఈ బెంజిన్ రింగ్ ప్లేస్లో గాన సైనైడ్ గ్రూప్ మెన్షన్ చేసామంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ బునాయన్. సో copolymerization, it is combined polymerization mechanism. First of all, combined means here two types of polymerization mechanisms can exhibit, both addition and condensation. For example, condensation. What is meant by condensation? Different types of monomers are involved. See here, Nana, 1,3 butadiene is one type of molecule and styrene is another type of molecule. So both are different. So it is related to condensation. In case addition, any byproducts are formed? No byproducts are formed. So it is nothing but addition. That's why it is named as a copolymerization mechanism. That is combined polymerization mechanism. In this polymerization mechanism, exhibit both addition and as well as condensation properties. The best examples for copolymerization is Bunayas and Bunayan. These two are examples for synthetic rubbers. In examination point of view, write a preparation of synthetic rubbers. One is nothing but Bunayas and another one is nothing but Bunayan. Bunayas simply, Nana, in this benzene ring replaced with cyanide group, that is CN, that is Bunayan. Simply you have to recognize.